Hi everyone. Today let us discuss some more interesting topics on integrals of some particular functions. When the function is in the structure of 1 by x square minus a square, then the integral value will be 1 by 2a log times x minus a by x plus a plus c. The second one, integration of 1 by a square minus x square dx is 1 by 2a log a plus x by a minus x plus c. Third one, integration of 1 by x square plus a square dx is 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. Fourth one, integration of 1 by under root of x square minus a square is log x plus under root of x square minus a square plus c. Fifth one, integration of 1 by under root of a square minus x square is equal to sine inverse x by a. Sixth one, integration of 1 by under root of x square plus a square dx is log of x plus under root of x square plus a square. We do some examples based on this special formula. Example, integration of 1 by x square minus 9 dx. Now it looks like the form integration of 1 by x square minus a square dx. So what is the output of this? 1 by a 1 by 2a log x minus a by x plus a plus c. Integration of 1 by x whole square minus 3 whole square dx. I am quoting here a is equal to 3. Now, as it is in this form, directly I can write the output as 1 by 2 into 3 log x minus 3 by x plus 3 plus c. Okay, one more step. That is equal to 1 by 6 log x minus 3 by x plus 3 plus c. Hope you have understood this problem. In this problem, I am eliminating this 4. In order to eliminate the 4, I am multiplying and dividing the denominator by 4. So I am writing that multiplying and dividing denominator by 4, and what happens? 1 by 4 comes outside. Integration of 1 by 4x square minus 9 by 4 dx. So if you write it in a proper way, 1 by 4 integration of 1 by x square minus 9 by 4 is 3 by 2 whole square dx. Now it is in the structure of integration of 1 by x square minus a square. What is the output for it? 1 by 2a log x minus a by x plus a plus c. Here, if you see, a is equal to 3 by 2. Now, using that form of integral, I can write the answer 1 by 4 into 1 by 2a, 2 into 3 by 2 log x minus 3 by 2 by x plus 3 by 2 plus c. So I can simplify this. 2 cancels, 1 by 12 log. If you take LCM, 2x minus 3 by 2, 2x plus 3 by 2. So 2x minus 3 by the 2 cancels, 2x plus 3 plus c. Hope you have understood the problem. One more example. Integration of 2x square plus 1 by x square minus 4 dx. So this problem is solved by changing the numerator. So keep in mind a point like change of numerator. Now what is the change I am doing for the numerator? 2x square plus 1. I am writing this numerator as 2 times x square minus 4 plus 8 plus 1. That 1 is there. I'm subtracting 8, so adding 8 and plus 1 is already there. So which is 2 times x square minus 4 plus 9. This is the numerator I made it. Now when you open the bracket again you will get the numerator the same. So this is the change I have done it. Now when I am replacing the numerator with that, so integration of 2 times x square minus 4 plus 9 by x square minus 4 dx. Now separating the numerator now, integration of 2 times x square minus 4 by x square minus 4 dx plus integration of 9 by x square minus 4 dx. Here x square minus 4 and x square minus 4 gets cancelled. On simplifying this, I will get integration of 2 dx plus integration of 9 by x square minus 4 dx. Now if you look at this, this is integration of 1 dx plus 9 I am taking it out, 1 by x whole square minus 2 whole square dx. So this is in the standard form, integration of 1 by x square minus a square dx is equal to 1 by 2a log x minus a by x plus a plus c. This is equal to 2x plus 9 into 1 by 2a, 2 into 2 log x minus 2 by x plus 2 plus c. This is equal to 2x plus 9 by 4 log x minus 2 by x plus 2 plus c. Hope you have understood this problem, right? Example, integration of 1 by under root of 9 minus 25x square dx. So if you look at the problem, here instead of x square, 25x square is there. So first I eliminate the 25. So to do so, what I am doing, I am multiplying and dividing. Denominator by root 25. So how it will be? Integration of 1 by root 25 I am multiplying, and inside I am dividing 9 minus 25 x square by 25 dx. So that is equal to 1 by root 25. I am making it as 1 by 5. I am putting it outside the integration. 1 by root of 9 by 25 minus x square dx. Still I try to write in the form of a square minus x square is equal to 1 by 5 integration of 1 by under root of 9 by 25 I am writing as 3 by 5 whole squared minus x square, x whole square I am writing it, dx. It is in the structure of integration of 1 by under root of a square minus x square dx, whose integration value is sine inverse x by a plus c. Now, applying that, it will become 1 by 5 sine inverse x by 3 by 5 plus c. So on simplification, 1 by 5 sine inverse 5x by 3 plus c. Example, integration of 1 by root 36x square minus 25 dx. Solution, integration of 1 by root of 36, if I take common, x square minus 25 by 36 dx, which is equal to 1 by 6 comes out integration of 1 by x square minus 5 by 6 whole square. So it is in the structure of integration of 1 by under root x square minus a square dx, whose output is log x plus under root of x square minus a square plus c. This is the output. So applying the output of the structure, the answer is 1 by 6 log x plus under root of 36 x square minus 25 by 6 is 6x we write plus c. Hope you have understood the problem. Example, integration of 2x square plus 1 by 9x square plus 5 dx. Solution. Now I'm multiplying numerator and denominator by 9. So what happens to this? 1 by 9 times integration of 9 into 2x square plus 1 by 9x square plus 5 dx. Now 1 by 9 of this is 18x square plus 9 by 9x square plus 5 dx. 18x square plus 9 is equal to 18x square plus 10 minus 1. Am I clear? So now this is equal to 1 by 9 times integration of 18x square plus 10 minus 1 by 9x square plus 5 dx. That again is equal to 1 by 9 integration of, I am taking 2 common, 9x square plus 5 by 9x square plus 5 dx minus 1 by 9 integration of 1 by 9x square plus 5 dx. Now 1 by 9, this 9x square plus 5 get cancelled, integration of 2 dx minus 1 by 9 of 1 by 9x square plus 5 dx. Now this is equal to, I am writing 1 by 9 integration of 2 dx, I will do it the differentiation afterwards, minus 1 by 9 of, I am taking common in the denominator 9, then x square plus 5 by 9 dx is equal to 1 by 9 integration of 2 dx minus 1 by 9 into 9 is 81 integration of 1 by x square plus 5 by 9 I am writing as root 5 by 3 whole square dx. In the problem, the structure visible is integration of 1 by x square plus a square dx, which is equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. Applying the integration, we'll get 1 by 9. Integration of a constant x forms or 2x minus 1 by 81 into here a is equal to root 5 by 3. So 1 by root 5 by 3 tan inverse x by root 5 by 3 plus c. Now simplify this. We will get this as 2x by 9 minus 3 ones are 3 27s are. So 1 by 27 root 5 tan inverse 3x by root 5 plus c. Hope you have understood this problem now. Example, integration of cos x by 1 plus 9 sine square x dx. Now, I am adopting substitution method for solving this problem. Let sin x is equal to t. Differentiating this, cos x dx is equal to dt. Now when I replace this in the problem, integration of cos x dx is existing, so dt we can write by 1 plus 9t square. Now it looks like standard form, so 9 if I take common out, integration of dt by 9 I am taking common, so 1 by 9 plus a t square. Now one more line, 1 by 9 I am putting outside, integration of 1 by t square plus 1 by 3 whole square dt. This looks like the structure integration of 1 by x square plus a square dx, which is equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. So therefore, the problem will become 1 by 9 into 1 by a. A here is 1 by 3. So 1 by 1 by 3 tan inverse x is t by 1 by 3. plus C. Now, when you write in a proper way, this will become 1 by 3, 3 cancel, so 1 by 3 tan inverse 3t plus C. This 3 goes up. Now, what is t? You replace it. T is sin x, so 1 by 3 tan inverse 3 sin x plus C. Hope you have understood the problem. That's all for today. More interesting topics in the next videos. Keep watching. Thank you very much. Bye bye.